In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in the Strava app, Android. Strava typically follows whatever language your Android phone is set to, so when you change your device language, the app updates to match. I'll walk you through two ways to do this. First, changing your phone's overall language, and second, on Android 13 and newer, setting a language just for Strava. Let's start with the most common method, changing your phone language. Open your phone's Settings app. Scroll to System, then tap Language and Region, or on some devices, it might be labeled Languages and Input. Next, go into Languages. Here you can add a new language or pick one you've already added. If you're adding a new one, select it from the list. Once your preferred language appears, press and hold to move it to the top of the list. That tells Android to use it as the primary language, and Strava will follow suit. Now close Strava if it's open, and then reopen it to see the updated language throughout the app. This is the most reliable approach since it aligns Strava with your phone's system language. Strava supports a wide range of languages, including English, Tagalog, Japanese, Indonesian, Thai, Vietnamese, and more. If you don't immediately see your language in Strava after adjusting your phone, just make sure the language is at the very top of your device's language list. Then relaunch Strava so it can refresh. If you're using Android 13 or newer, there's another option that lets you set a language just for Strava without changing your entire phone. Open Settings, tap Apps, and find Strava in your list of installed apps. Open Strava's app settings and tap Language. From here, choose your preferred language for Strava only. When you're done, reopen the Strava app to apply the change. This is handy if you prefer your phone in one language but want Strava in another for training terms or community features. Keep in mind that menu names can vary slightly depending on your phone manufacturer, but the path is generally the same. For the first method, you're adjusting the device language in Settings under System and Languages. For the second, on Android 13 and later, you're looking in the Strava app settings for language. After making your choice, closing and reopening Strava ensures the new language displays correctly. That's it. Use the phone language method for the most consistent results, or the per app option on Android 13 Plus if you want Strava in a different language than the rest of your device. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get Strava set up in the language you prefer.